day today. Woke up at about 8 o'clock, had a shower, had brekkie, and now we are on our way, or about to be on our way, to go to Ikea because we have a walk-in wardrobe to design. And then I think we're going to go to the gym, and I'm not sure where else the day will take us. Ikea and built our walk-in wardrobe, so now we're just going to go home and make sure our measurements were right so we can order it, because as you saw in one of my other vlogs, all of our clothes are in the spare room on the floor. We're just going to go and get something to eat now in whatever food court we're in. We've just ordered a soup. I can't zoom in. 1919 lands. I can't say a beef noodle soup. So exciting.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yum. Good afternoon, everybody. We're home from Ikea. We just popped into Woolies so I can get some things. Gonna do a little meal prep for lunches for the week. So, chicken, got a shitload of broccolini, and already had rice. And I'm going to make a soy, garlic, honey sauce to go with it. So chicken, rice, and broccolini. So I'm just going to cut up the chicken now, and then I'm going to coat it with flour and salt and pepper, cook it, and then I'll mix up the sauce together. The rice will go in the rice cooker, and then I'll cook the broccolini.
Yeah,
okay, so I've cut up all the chicken and coated it in flour and salt. And I'll cook that now, and then whilst that's cooking, I will make up my sauce to go on the chicken. Hot honey or normal honey, garlic powder, onion powder, rice, wine, vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, sesame seeds, and ginger. Just cut up the broccolini. Half of the chicken's cooked, and I'm just doing the other half now. And our rice is almost ready. I'll cook the broccolini in that pot when the chicken is finished, because some of the sauce will still be in the bottom. So I need to give the broccolini some flavour. And then we will container them up and top them off with some seeds, sesame seeds. Here's the finished product. They're my little ones. And these are Tim's, because they're a bit bigger. But it smells so good, and I had no leftovers. Yummy. good workout. Just because you see photos of people on Instagram in their cute gym clothes, thinking that they're having a really good time at the gym, it's not always true. I really don't want to be here today. But yeah, got it done anyway. I was going to do a little bit of cardio on the stairs, but I can't be bothered. I just can't. So we're going to go home and start preparing dinner. But the main thing is that we made it here and I got it done. And that's all that matters. Just got home from the gym probably half an hour ago. Had a shower, put jammies on, and about to put dinner in the oven, which is our boneless garlic, lemon, herb chicken. Probably watch a movie and go to bed. So thanks guys for watching my vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.